In today's modern manufacturing world, precision, speed, and consistency are the key factors for success, and one machine that delivers all three is the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It is an advanced machine that uses computer-based programs to control cutting, drilling, shaping, carving, and engraving operations with extreme accuracy. Unlike traditional manual machines, CNC machines work automatically by following pre-programmed instructions. Once a design is uploaded, the machine performs the same operation repeatedly with identical results, reducing human error and saving valuable time. CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, metal fabrication, aluminum cutting, plastic machining, ACM work, PCB manufacturing, and custom sign making. From small workshops to large industrial factories, CNC technology has become an essential part of production. A CNC machine is made up of several important components. These include the control unit, which acts as the brain of the machine, the spindle motor, responsible for cutting speed and power, linear guides and ball screws for smooth and accurate movement, stepper or servo motors for precise positioning, and a strong machine bed that ensures stability during operation. To operate a CNC machine, the process begins with CAD software, where the design is created digitally. Next, CAM software converts that design into G-code, a special language that the CNC machine understands. This G-code instructs the machine on tool movement, cutting depth, direction, and speed. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is efficiency with consistency. They can work continuously for long hours, reduce material waste, and deliver professional quality output every time.